Please do not do this with your XRP. Some of you are about to make a grave mistake when it comes to this coin. It's either going to make you a fuck ton of money or it's going to leave you sitting there with your hands in your pants thinking, damn, where did it all go wrong? And that point is right this second. If you do enjoy this video, you want to see more, leave a like, subscribe. If you want to see all the plays I'm taking, be on the IG. Without further ado, let me show you why you're about to make a mistake. I've already made a video telling you I believe that we are near the bottom in crypto. Now, it's a very unpopular opinion right now. Everybody's bearish. But I'm sitting here thinking with a little bit of brain power thinking, okay, hold on. Everybody's bearish right now. Why? What is the reason? Is there a COVID type situation coming down? Is there an exchange that's imploding in front of our faces? For the most part, I come to the conclusion that no, not shit is happening. And that makes me even more concerned with people's decisions because we are really at the final tippity top of this ship before things start really getting crazy. Now I want to show you the Bitcoin chart for a second. The Bitcoin chart has all the answers, right? In 2021, we had a very similar run where we had a massive pump similar to the Trump pump before he came into office. And then right after, we had a massive dump. Now, this dump absolutely left people in shambles. This was around the time of FTX. It went down 55%. And for the most part, everybody was sitting there freaking out thinking it was over. Crypto's going to go to 10K. Bull market's done. It is all over. Now, keep in mind, back in 2021, it was the complete opposite. Everybody was bullish. But me, I was the one telling you that things were not really that good. And I was exactly like 99% accurate. And all these videos are posted on this channel still. Now, during that time, when everybody was bullish, I was telling you guys that, hey, Joe Biden's in office. It's really not that good. This is nothing to celebrate. But when I called this massive 55% dump down to the bottom, I flipped and I told you guys, hey, we're going to have another run to all-time highs. And I did that live on the Instagram. And when we had that bottom, we stayed down for about, let's see, around like 60-ish days. Yeah, so around 60 days we had hopping around this bottom, and we went down a couple times. So we went and touched those lows a few times. And then we giga-sent it to all-time high. Now we go to now, right? If we go to present, 2026, how much has Bitcoin gone down? Well, we went down around from all-time highs in October, around 52%. So a few percent off that nice 2021 bottom that we had. Now, could we go lower and fill that 55%? Sure. But I would not be surprised at all if Bitcoin did an absolute reversal from here and went all the way back to all-time highs and left everybody sitting there with their hands in their pants thinking, oh shit, well, the media and everybody else just told me this shit was over. I sold my bags. What the fuck am I gonna do? And if you're wondering, well, why are you calling bottom? What is the bottom? Well, again, 99% of people right now are bearish. The markets are bearish in terms of everybody. You go on the news, you go on YouTube, everybody is doom and gloom. And usually that's a good indicator just in itself when to kind of flip and maybe think a little bit different. And on top of that, this is the worst fear that we have ever had in any crypto market period. Bigger than COVID, bigger than FTX, bigger than anything we've ever seen. So think about that logically for a second. Is everything right now to the point that it is absolutely fucked? Just think. Think for a second. No, you're going to come to the same conclusion as me. There is not a justifiable reason out there for this to be a true bear market yet. I don't see it. And then you throw in the midterms that's happening this year. And then you really start to think, okay, we're talking about Trump here, the person that will literally pump the stock market, say, buy Intel or the stock is going to stay at all-time highs. Is he really going to let everything be so dog shit for the rest of the year? Probably not. He doesn't give a fuck. Then, like I said, if we go back to Bitcoin in 2021, we had our final bottom in July. And then July to November of 2021, we pumped nonstop. We're coming up on July now. I mean, we're in March. Midterms are going to be later this year. I'm just telling you, I wouldn't put it past them to do some shit like that. And then on top of that, they've been completely silent on crypto. They were so pro crypto before they got in the office. And then after, it's just been completely silent. It really does make you think, are these motherfuckers, did they dump the market just to buy the bottom? He keeps saying that after the Clarity Act passes, there's going to be trillions of dollars sitting on the sidelines waiting for that act to pass. It almost makes you think, did they dump the market purposely waiting for this bill to pass just to pump it again? It is really interesting once you start getting into that. But the point of this video is XRP. Now, what am I talking about with XRP? Well, I believe, like I said, that this is the best buy in crypto right now. You have a dollar opportunity right now on XRP. The all-time high is at 360. That's a lot of cheddar that could be in your pockets towards all-time highs. But the thing is, most people are selling their bags right now. And the reason why they're selling is because A, they don't believe in crypto anymore. B, they think that we're in a true bear market because everybody's saying that it is. And C, they think crypto is just inevitably just going to keep going down from here. But this is where millionaires are made. A lot of people that are selling right now are going to be buying there at all-time highs. So like, I shit you not, like literally watch this shit. Most of your friends, or if you're watching this right now, you're going to sell it right now and you're going to come back at all-time highs and you're going to go, oh my fucking God, what the fuck did I do? Did I just paper hand the bottom? And as someone that's called every top and bottom on the Instagram since 2020, you guys know this. I feel pretty fucking confident telling you that I believe that we have bottom. Now, if we go down here to this low again and touch it, whoop-de-fucking-do. This is the area you should be buying. I'm just trying to tell you guys. Look, I'll say like we have bottomed and then it goes down a couple percent. People are like, you said it bottomed. What the fuck are you talking about? I am just telling you, as someone who's traded publicly for many, many years at this point, I am very confident in saying that I believe people are about to make a grave mistake with XRP, and I pray to God that that is not you. But yeah, that's the point of the video. You should be buying right now. You should definitely not be selling, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what you think. Have we topped? Have we bottomed? And I got a really big announcement real quick. I have been working on an app for the last year. Now, this app is game-changing in crypto. Genuinely, I think it is one of the craziest products crypto's ever seen because it has not been done before. And it's hard to say that in any industry. And I have it dropping in the next few weeks for beta access, and I've never been more excited. This is a tool that's going to change millions of people's lives. This is a tool that is going to, in my opinion, change the way that you view trading and the markets as a whole. If you want to see that whenever I do drop it, be on the IG for all the updates. If you want to see the plays as well, I'll post them all there. Boys, I have never been more confident in staking my reputation on this shit, telling you that while you are sitting here selling, the whales are buying, and it is right in your face. So what are you going to be, a whale or a little fucking bitch?